Rich people don't just focus on making money, they focus on keeping it. That's why they think very differently about assets. They're not gambling in crypto or chasing meme stock. They're playing a quietly long-term game. And there are three specific types of asset they use to preserve wealth. Let's break it down. First, real estate, not just flipping house or buying vacation home, but income producing real estate in solid locations. Think multi-family units, commercial properties, or long-term rentals. The rich love real estate because it gives them leverage, consistent cash flow, and tax advantages. But most importantly, it's hedge against inflation. It's a hedge against inflation. While the value of money drops over time, real estate tends to rise, especially when the location is strong. It's a tangible asset. It's not going to vanish overnight. Second, stock, but not in a way most people think. Rich investors are not day trading. They are building shares in strong, stable companies, often dividend paying once and holding for the long haul. They think in decades, not days. They look at business with strong fundamentals and consistent earnings and competitive advantages. They also use stock market downturns as buying opportunities, not panic movements, and instead of selling, they borrow against their portfolios to unlock liquidity, keeping the investment intact while assessing capital. The third asset is one that often overlooked: private business. Whether it's equity in a company, owning part of profitable brand, or even building one to scratch, the wealthy understand that owning business gives them control and exponential upside. Private equity is where massive wealth is preserved and multiplied. Unlike public stocks, private business are not just subject daily market swings. They can grow in value quietly behind the scenes, generating consistent cash flow and often at a higher return than public market. The key thing all three of these assets have in common: they are not just about making quick money. They are about long-term stability, control, and protection. Rich people don't rely on luck and speculation. They rely on proven assets that grow steadily, generate income, and hold value over time. If you want to build real wealth, stop thinking about what makes money fast and start focusing on what keeps money safe.